The Neuroscience of Anger Donald Trump example overview discussed the neuroscience behind anger, using Donald Trump as a case study to illustrate how certain brain mechanisms can lead to emotionally charged and aggressive responses, particularly in political contexts. Key points. The amygdala and emotional reactivity. The amygdala, a small part of the brain above the spinal cord, is responsible for triggering the fight or flight response when a person perceives a threat. In situations of perceived danger, the amygdala disconnects the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for rational thought and measured responses, leading to emotional and sometimes aggressive reactions. Childhood trauma and brain development. We explain that repeated experiences of threat or trauma in childhood can cause the amygdala to become hypersensitive and overactive. This means that, as adults, individuals may react to ordinary challenges or disagreements with disproportionate anger, aggression, or withdrawal, rather than calm reasoning. Political implications and amygdala hijack. This phenomenon, sometimes called amygdala hijack, is not just an individual issue but has societal consequences. Studies have shown that people with higher amygdala reactivity are more likely to display right-wing political tendencies, suggesting a correlation between early trauma, brain biology, and adult political behavior. Breaking the cycle. Neuroplasticity and systemic change. We emphasize that these brain patterns are not fixed. Neuroplasticity means the brain can change. We advocate for a new kind of political system that encourages collective responsibility and genuine dialogue, rather than polarized debate. By fostering environments where people must work together to make decisions, society can help rewire these emotional responses and reduce the dominance of anger-driven leadership. Conclusion. Explored how childhood trauma can shape adult emotional responses through changes in brain structure, with significant implications for political discourse and leadership. We call for systemic change and collective engagement to address the deep-rooted psychological factors influencing society today.